Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can calculate percentages in Google Sheets with formulas. So calculating percentages in Google Sheets is easy and it can be done with simple formula. And this is how you can calculate percentages using various methods and scenarios. The first one is basic formula for calculating percentages. So to calculate the percentage of a number, you can use these formulas right here. You can just here, for example, I'm going to just equal to, and then you can go with the uh, part of, you can just write part plus per total and then times 100. For example, if you want to calculate what percentage of 88 of to 100, you can just write like this, 200, and then you can just close this, times 100. Hit on enter. Sorry, this one like this, and it says that the 88 is 45% of 200s. And if you want to calculate a percentage increase or decrease, you can use this. For example, if a value increase from, let's see, this one 12 to 90, I'm going to just write it like this. Then you can just write this one, subtract this one, and then 100, close this, and then times 100. Now the results came out as 78%. So this will return as a 78% increase. And if you want to calculate percentage of a total, so if you want to find percentage of a total, use this formula. You can just write the total, and for example, you want to find 20% of 89, you can just write it like this, 89 plus 20%, and it returns as 17.8%. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.